Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to build a website in 2 minutes using AI. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to introduce the website called vivo.dve. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the vivo.dev. So first and foremost is like a chat GPT. So you just give your comments, whatever informations you want, it will create a landing page, everything. So first and foremost, you would like to sign in with your Gmail account. Just click here to sign in. So once you click a sign in option, it will ask you for the Gmail account. So continue with the Gmail account or any type of Gmail. So continue with the mail account. You can use like sign up. First I just want to sign up with my email account. So for example, I just have my email account. Yes, I have logged in successfully using my HowXT1.gmail like a project. So you can import the project tag and you can create or you can type whatever you want. So this is a versal.com. So you will have add new options. So project, domain, stores, everything will be there. Just hit the button project. It will ask you the prompt option. So you just want to build a website within a 2 minutes of time. So I have given the prompt over here. So I have typed in my Google, so create a web app for a hotel including hotel details, everything I have given over here. So I just want to paste this prompt over here. So I have given the prompt in comment box also. So use this box and you can try it once. So I just type whatever I want. For example, I just have my content over here. So like just want to build a hotel, some kind of images and online decent, says the hotel details like HowXT hotel names located in Chennai, like that. I have given the details according to my details. For example, I need whatever I want for the web application. So I just click here to build. So once I click a build option, so automatically it will build up in the website within a minute of time to create a project. So simple and easiest way. I got impressed with this website, so that's why I just want to introduce to you. So I have a prompt over there in the comment box and description. Just copy the prompt and paste it in your new site and you just try whether it will work properly, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Yes, so accept the terms and conditions for the things. For accept and continue to agree the terms. As you see here, your hotel web app portal is going to ready now. The preview and code and page, everything is ready. So now you can able to see this kind of codings over here. So within a second it will generate all kind of codings with the hotels. Whatever you ask, everything will be displayed over here. So with the preview, so preview also, we are waiting to load the things. So through the 4 seconds of time, it is generating HowXT hotel exterior, everything will be there. It is typing. Yes, as you see here, so HowXT hotel is welcome to HowXT hotel, and there will be a rooms, about, contact, everything will be there. So with the 5-star ratings and hotel amenities and all kind of details will be uploaded over here. As I said, premium room, deluxe and normal rooms, and ready to experience, everything will be there. So with the rooms option, I just click here to rooms option will be displayed over here. So the coding will be ready for the rooms, premium and duplex and normal rooms, and about us and contact us, everything will be there. So simple and easiest way you can create your web application, web portal, everything using the simple prompt within a minute of second. So beautiful website I have introduced to you. If you have any doubts, you just ask the comment in the comment box, so that it will be easy for us to handle and create more AI tools like this. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.